Today I've got this 5 Lever Mortice Sashlock. It's made by ERA. It's got anti-pick notches in the levers. All works fine. That's the cuts on the key. We're going to pick this one open using homemade tools. So it's an homemade tension tool, homemade pick. Let's get into this one. I'm going to do it in my hand. It's quite a big lock, so I want to do it quite quick because it gets heavy after a bit. I'm just lifting up the levers in the lock. Once I feel like the 4 back levers are set, I just need to corkscrew it back to the front, lift the front lever up, and we get it open. So yeah, that's a 5 Lever Mortice Sashlock picked open with homemade tools.